With football season around the corner, the Sound of the Natural State had to find alternatives so they could still perform. Assistant Director of Bands Dr. Stephen Riley said during the summer, the Professional Music Education Organization did research to figure out the best way to social distance during performances and the sidelines.
That our state department guidelines recommend that or I should say direct, that bands should be at least 6 feet apart, except for trombones. They actually get 9 feet of distance around each other. Again, that's just because the research is showing that they are a bigger spreader of aerosol.